hydraulic semi-automatic double-station heat press machine. The machine adopts advanced linear bearing slide operation. It's simple and convenient for operation. It adopts intelligent instrument, electromagnetic switch technology, and on-off timer, which ensure high accuracy. High-strength spring effectively adjusts the balance of the heating plate. The maximum pressure of oil pressure can reach 30 kilograms per square centimeter. T-shirt can insert into bottom platen, high efficiency and save labor. Infrared positioning device pattern positioning more easily. Operation demo. Turn on machine. Set temperature. Set time. Turn on hydraulic switch. Place T-shirt. Laser alignment. Put vinyl. Start to do heat press. When time counts down to 0, heating platen will go up. Remove the vinyl. Process is done.